Most image models today don't really fail because of quality. The problem is that they don't actually understand what you mean. So instead of focusing on your idea, you end up spending your time trying to fix the prompt. You rewrite it, you tweak it, you add more detail, and sometimes you still don't get what you had in mind. That's exactly where this feels different. This is Uni1, Luma's new image model, and the core idea behind it is simple. It doesn't just render your prompt, it tries to understand your intent first and then build the image based on that. It's built on something they call unified intelligence, which basically means the model is doing structured reasoning before and during generation, not just reacting to keywords. And when you combine that with Luma agents, the experience starts to feel less like prompt engineering and more like working with a creative system that you can guide step by step. Let me show you what that actually looks like. I'm inside Luma, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a new board. From here, I select Image, choose Uni1, and now I can start creating. What's important here is that I'm not trying to write a perfect prompt. I'm just going to explain clearly what I want. For example, I can ask for a premium product campaign image of a futuristic sneaker floating in dramatic studio lighting. Now this might sound simple, but it's actually a very controlled test, because this is not just about making something that looks nice. It's about composition, lighting, and whether the image feels like a real commercial visual. And what stands out here is that the result doesn't feel random. It feels intentional, like the model understands that this is supposed to look like a campaign image, not just a shoe in a dark background. Now let's move to something more demanding. Instead of a visual, I'm going to ask for a clean infographic explaining how a rocket launches, with labeled steps and icons. This is where a lot of image models start to struggle, because now the task is not just visual anymore, it's about structure. The model needs to organize information, create a clear layout, and maintain a logical sequence. And this is where Uni1 starts to show its difference. It's not just generating an image, it's organizing a visual explanation. Now, if the result is close but not exactly what I want, I don't need to start over. This is where Luma agents come in. Instead of rewriting everything, I can just guide the system a bit more. For example, I can ask it to make the layout more minimal, improve the spacing, or adjust the visual style. And the important part is that the system understands these changes in context. I'm not guessing again, I'm refining. That changes the workflow completely. It's no longer about trial and error, it's about direction. Now, let's test something more cinematic. I can ask for a cinematic still of a deserted gas station at night in an A24 style look with dramatic lighting and film grain. This is a different kind of test. Here we're looking at mood, framing, and visual storytelling. And when the output feels right, you can immediately tell that it's not just a generated image. It feels like a composed shot, something that could belong in a film. And again, I can refine it naturally. If I want more contrast, deeper shadows, or a stronger atmosphere, I don't need to restart the process. I just guide it further. Now, one of the most interesting tests is consistency. For example, I can ask for a character turnaround sheet showing the same character from the front, side, and back. This is something many models struggle with because each image is usually generated independently, so the character changes slightly every time. But when this works well, it means the model understands the relationship between those views. It's not just creating separate images, it's maintaining a consistent concept. And that's extremely useful for things like character design, game development, or any kind of visual pipeline. Finally, let's try something more practical. I can ask the model to combine a set of furniture ideas into a realistic living room scene. Now, this requires spatial understanding. Objects need to be placed correctly, lighting needs to be consistent, and everything has to feel cohesive. And when the result works, it doesn't feel like random elements placed together. It feels like a designed space. So after testing all of this, the difference becomes very clear. Most image models render prompts. Uni1 interprets intent, plans the structure, and then generates the result. And Luma agents extend that into a workflow where you can go from an idea to a refined output without constantly restarting. That's why this doesn't feel like a typical image generator. It feels more like a system you can build with. Instead of going through endless prompt iterations, you can focus on the idea, guide the process, and gradually shape the result into something usable. And that's a big shift, especially if you're creating content, working on visuals, or building anything that requires consistency and structure. If you want to try it yourself, you can go into Luma, create a new board, select Uni1, and just start with a clear idea instead of a complicated prompt. Because this model doesn't reward clever wording. It responds to clear thinking. And honestly, that might be the most important difference. So I'm curious what you think. Are we moving beyond prompt engineering into something more structured? Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video.